for today on Wall Street 30. So we've got another day of sideways action. Now, the interesting thing is that we are sort of defending this previous breakout here. And you can see if I look to the left, you can see quite a bit of interaction with this area here. So this area 25872 is pretty much what we should be looking at and watching very closely. Now, if you look at what's happening on the 3-hour, you can see is two patterns at play here. So there is firstly this flag. Okay, so that's the first scenario. So strong move up into consolidation. Here's your flag pole, here's your flag. So breakout of this is going to be pretty violent to the upside. Okay, and then the second thing that is transpiring in here is we have this triangle within the flag. Now, if we come down to the hour, you'll see a triangle, but there's also a case for a flat top triangle as well, right there. And you can see this area, and I'm going to use the term area. Let's just put another level in because then you'll understand what I'm talking about. So you can see there's a lot of tails down here and there's a lot of tails up here. So this area between these two lines is pretty much where neutral ground is. So the bulls and the bears are sort of playing tug of war inside this area, and they're using these two levels as to gauge whether it's long or short. So 26074 and 26150. So right now algorithms are trading this, so it's not something that you want to be trading until we get a breakout. Now the breakout, I'm just going to use this level here to the upside. I would take 26213. That would break out through the previous high. It'll give me a new high. I'd want to see a retest onto this trendline break, and then what we're looking for is, let's just get the measured move rather than guessing. So that's the measured move there from the lowest points of the flag right over there. That gives us a new high. Between you and me, I'd be taking some off at this level here at 27338. Okay, so this stage I think it's still long, but you know, to get in on this, you don't want to jump in on this right now. Got it really messy, don't we? Just delete some of this stuff here. Okay, so we don't really want to just jump in right now when we're going sideways like this. So we want to see a new high. We are getting higher lows. Okay, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 higher lows in a row here. And we have got one higher high over that one there. So that is what we want to be watching for at the moment. But price is flat. We are ranging. You see we're ranging inside these two levels, between these two levels as well. So that's the one scenario. The other scenario, which is another bullish pattern, is this double bottom, which is still in play. And if you look at that, that pretty much gives me the right target there. Okay, so double bottom target gives us that, and then the flag break target gives us a little higher up there at 28042. 28 does sound like a round number, which more than likely will be targeted somewhere. But I'm not so sure we're going to break through this level of resistance here today. I don't see any catalyst. There may be something that comes out. You never know with this stuff. But yeah, biases to the upside, and we're waiting for a break. 26209, but I want to see a proper break. I want to see a couple of bars break above it, then a pullback onto that, or any kind of pullback that will give me the opportunity to be long. Until then, it's sit on hands and wait for this structure to play out. Okay, anyway, that's my view on the Dow. Hope it helps. Enjoy the weekend, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.